हाय गाइस, बनाती है एंड आज हम स्टॉक टॉक के इस दूसरे एपिसोड बनाती बॉम्बर्स पे आपके सामने ला रहे हैं. तो लेट्स गो विद इट. So after the launch of Walmart Plus, Walmart have raised their market cap around $418 billion. So Walmart, they are planning to launch Walmart Plus, a subscription based model for delivering groceries and foods items and they're going to start at 15 September. So the new subscription model will cost around $12.95 a month or $98 a year, and Walmart Plus members will be getting unlimited free home delivery of more than 16,000 items sold in their stores, including groceries, as long as they spend around $35 per delivery. And if they don't, then the delivery charges will be around $8 to $10 per delivery. Walmart Chief Customer Office said that this is going to be a life hack which will save families money and will make their life much more easier. So, the Amazon Prime is the direct competitor of Walmart Plus. While Amazon Prime costs much more than Walmart Plus subscription, but they also offer video streaming services. So let's see what have Walmart says. So GST collection. So GST collection in the month of August falls around 12%. So GST collection जो month August का था, they have many small businesses have not filed their GST returns in the month of August, but still good and service value tax was collected and it was around 86,488 crores from the previous months, and it was a less than 12% year to year on return. So it may be noted that the taxpayer with turnover less than 5 crore are still relaxed from paying taxes. GST collection in the month of August was around 88% of the same month corresponding year, which indicate that there is a recovery in businesses. Mostly the drop in the GST collection or the returns are due to the international trade, which are not happening, which harms the businesses here. Facebook is yet in another trouble with India too now. So the IT Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad used the road to Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg to raise serious concerns about the company's Indian arm. He claimed that prior to 2019 general elections, Facebook India's leadership had worked to delete and reduce the reach of people who are in support of right of center ideology. Prasad letters comes at the time of the controversy in Facebook, while a month ago the Wall Street Journal had reported that Facebook chose to take not action against the hate speech led by Bharatiya Janata Party leaders in order to avoid companies' business interest in India. HSBC brokerage arms that the Zomato evaluation to be around $5 billion. Yes, you heard it right. The food delivery platform Zomato is now valued at $5 billion, taking Zomato of stock publicly traded shareholder The Edge, a Gurugram-based company which could add $2 billion to the market capitalization. So Zomato has yet to raise around $100 to $140, which was taken in the month of February when they raised money from Ants Group. While Swiggy, a rival of Zomato, is around at the valuation of $3.6 billion in the month of February when they raised about $156 million. Yes, Bumble dating app is around to go on an IPO which is $6 billion. Bumble, a dating app that provide women the first move in preparing for an initial public offering that could be happen in the month of next year. Bumble could seek a valuation of $6 billion to $8 billion. While it talking to bank, it hasn't settled on a lineup yet. And no people are added on that. And it is a matter of serious concern, so no much more info are revealed right now. The sale of negotiation of the ByteDance short video performing app TikTok has gained a new twist when the Chinese have uploaded or introduced a new law which includes TikTok specifically on the recommendation engine. The company is discussing to make it possible to make a deal which approve both the Beijing and the Washington as well. Last week, the company said they are moving quickly to resolve the issues in US as well as in India. At the current point, no more details cannot be shared, just that the solution will be in the interest of users, other stakeholders such as creators and partners. But there is another twist with that. Microsoft has partnered with Walmart to gain the acquisition of US TikTok model, which Walmart will be using in the Walmart Plus model to gain their subscription. So the Indian government has raised another thing for the loan relating issue. The center has told the Supreme Court that the RBI has asked the banks to provide relief to borrowers, extending their residual tenure of the loans up to 2 years, which will be without including the 6-month extension of the memorandum of payment of installments from March 1st to August 31st. The Finance Ministry said that the RBI August 6 approval on the circular have fully empowering the banks to resolve COVID-19 issues related to stress and customer relief for the individual borrowers to the fund of various concessions in terms of alternating in the field of interest, the amount paying as an interest and waiving personal interest as well as rescheduling payments. So this video is sponsored by the like button, which you have to turn into blue. Go down and like the button, subscribe the channel for later updates.